Oh yeah, there's definitely buildup in there. This line really needs to be cleaned out. All right, we're gonna send the snake down this here. We got a clog from here out to the city trap by the road. We're gonna start right here because we're holding water at this point. Hopefully everything goes good and we get her out of here in a few minutes. Oh, this is a Spartan 300 machine we're using here. We're using our own power that we have a generator in our inverter in our van, and we pull up right to the curb. We don't have to get power from the house. We use it right from our van. How you making out? Hitting anything, Dennis?
Yeah.
This snake is 100 foot. We actually have a bigger Spartan machine that'll do like 200 feet. It's a 3/4 inch cable, but you don't normally use that because it's a big, huge machine. But we do get into situations where you have to get root infiltration and you really got to get the big snake to rip them out. But this one does very good, let's say 99% of the time. Well, it turns in a circle and it's got the snake and it's got a blade on it that's got teeth. So when it turns, if you get in the crud, chews it up, tree roots, it rips them out of there, and it just opens your pipe right back up again. This is what you use all the time, and there is a smaller one for sink lines, but this is a machine that we use most all the time. And so we're coming back. He's having a little restriction in there. Looks like he's got some soap and grease sludge on the cable. So what we're probably gonna have to do, Dennis, if she won't open up, we'll have to use the hydrojetter and give her a blasting. I'll get that pulled out here while you're bringing a snake out. Move everything back, because this thing will throw some water. This high pressure hydrojetter will, when you get into a line that's very sludged up, toilet paper, soap and grease, you may have to, if the snake doesn't get it, use the hydrojetter, and that'll pull the sludge and paper right out of your line. And then what we'll probably do with this line here is once we get done, just because they have a lot of problems with it, we're gonna send a camera down just to take a look at it, make sure he doesn't have any other issue. And this machine here, the Urban Warrior, it's fully remote control. I can be from here, probably 500 feet away from the machine and operate it. All right, you want to stand back, guys? We're gonna have some water flowing here. Turn around and get some pressure going. Some people will think the hydrojetter is bad for the piping, but it's not. It's very good. It pulls all the sludge right out. Oh, I can hear it. I just lost the air when I was jetting, so I know I went into the clog. And I could just hear it gurgle, so I know the clog just opened up for us. I'm just gonna hit it once or twice here with a jetter, and then we're gonna send the camera down and see what it looks like. Because we're pulling in the down, or jetting in the downstream way, you don't want to pull it back under pressure because you'll pull all your stuff back towards the building. So we got to shut it off, bring the jet out, and we'll send her back out again. Because your cleanouts in the yard have flush wise, so that you cannot go back to the building and make a mess that way, or send a snake up a toilet. So that's why they have flush wise, so they go out towards the street. Okay, sounds pretty good. We'll shut her down, we'll send a camera down it and take a look at it. Got the control, she's going in. We're gonna roll this up and get it out of her way so we're not tripping over it. I'm running the control and Dennis is putting it on nicely on the reel. Oops. Every now and then Dennis will holler at me because I'm doing something else and I let go of the button. All right. I'm gonna idle her up a little bit, Dennis, and make her a little faster here. But yeah, on this head here, the nozzles spray backwards. So if you're going up a line, it blasts all that stuff towards the street. I just hang this up so that I'm not banging around. All right, no, I never lost any, no. Not that I know of. Apparently we didn't clean it up very good. So now we'll get down into the line. There's the Y. So now we're into the line, so we set our footage. So we're zeroed out. There we are, 0 on the bottom there. And then we can record this. Going out through, it's kind of hard in the sunlight. But you can see there's still some debris laying in the bottom of this line here. And if we don't get that out of there, it's gonna, after they flush in the toilet a few times, it's gonna pile up and plug the line up again. So what we're gonna do at this point is move out down to the house trap and jet backwards to pull that stuff out towards the street. We got a little low spot in the line here. This camera is
250?
250, I think this one is. Are you still filming? Oh. We're Superior Drain Solutions. If you ever need us, give us a call, please.